Greetings of the day. Myself Rohan Sharma and I am here to present our review paper. But before that, I would like to introduce my other authors. They are Kavya Sharma, Kanishk Parashar, Nisha Pal, students at Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology, and Mr. Praveen Kumar Chakravarti, Assistant Professor at Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's discuss about the contents we have. We have introduction, keywords, literature review, conclusion, comparison between different papers and references. So introduction. Workplace thieves are becoming the major problem in today's era. Therefore, the requirement of designing of a smart door lock system which an unauthorized person can't access. This system consists of different security level which after fulfill these will give access to any present at the door. This smart door lock system will surely fulfill the recent requirements in terms of security. So, moving to the next slide, there are some keywords which we use in this paper. So, these are Bluetooth sensor, web camera, IoT, security, solenoid lock, blockchain, FFT, and Arduino. So, moving to the next slide, these are some literature reviews which is reviewed by us and they have been discussed in the upcoming slides. So, these are Voice Control Door Lock System using MATLAB and Arduino, and other is Ethereum blockchain, which contract system for the smart lock is used. Smart contract provide a bridge between the nodes, and the hardware's side system uses a webcam with Raspberry Pi for face recognition, and after that, if it is matched with the registered face, then the data which contain user information, face, date, time, etc. it broadcasts to the blockchain network, which is finally unlocks the door with 96% average security. So moving further, literature review. The maker uses Arduino Uno GSM module to send and receive the messages, a relay, solenoid lock, and keypad. If the user enters the wrong password, then the message is sent to the admin for confirmation to open the door or not. It is the picture which is given below. So moving with next slide, door automation system based on speech command and pin using Android smartphone, and below it there is a block diagram which refers to the paper. And moving to next slide, these are also some papers which is reviewed by us. These are Ethereum blockchain technology had been used for storing data and smart contract for managing these strategies. Next is Ethereum blockchain with infra API was used. Here this API works as a bridge to connect the IoT infrastructure to the blockchain network. And another is the security which applied by using Raspberry Pi. So the components were used: push button, Raspberry Pi, USB, webcam, and a servo motor. If the user arrives the door, the push button should be pressed. Moving further, we have conclusion. So after going through the papers based on the secure system, we came to know that the home and the data security is a major issue and there is a huge need of focusing on it. So all these proposed system we have used many of the technologies with their own merits and demerits, with the final result of ensuring home and data security up to certain extent. The main technology used in the most paper is IoT, as it already has its own benefits in modern era. IoT is becoming the most frequently used tool for automation, whether it is a home automation or any other, since it has proved to be beneficial in case of secure system where the automation and proper authentication is required, which is a best handled with the help of it. So moving further, we have a comparison table for the same and has been discussed. So this comparison table shows the difference between the papers with cost, accuracy, security and technology used. We have thoroughly discussed the all papers. With the help of these papers, we have to conclude to compare these papers. So lastly, here are the references that we used in our paper. Some of them are Review on Ethereum, Smart Home Case Study, Door Automation System based on speech command and PIN using Android smartphone, Home Security System, Speech Command for the Automatic Slew Gate based on MFCC and Deep Neural Network. Another is a review on Internet of Things. And another is blockchain based secure data storage for door lock system. IoT and blockchain smart locks. And eighth review is remotely accessible smart lock secure system. Another is voice control door lock system using MATLAB and Arduino. And at last, wireless home automation system using IoT and PaaS. Thank you so much.